An antique vendor selling a rare African mask for 4.6 million won a legal war with old couple who sold 165 without realizing the real value of treasury. According to CNN, a French couple their 80s obtained a wooden mask from an ancestor Africa. And held the family heirloom with other African works their second houses south of France. When 88-year-old man and his 81-year-old wife only went to sell in the initials in court documents. They organized a garage sale. Among items to grab, René-Victor Edward Maurice Fournier, who once served as a colonial governor in Central Africa in beginning of 20th century, when most important parts of continent were under French colonial administration, had a British mask. A second-hand antique vendor collected the parts with other small items such as lance, circumcision knife, bellows and musical instruments for only 165. A three-old couple sold this Africa, British, mask to an antique seller only for 165. In fact, it could be worth millions. However, 6 months later, after reading a double newspaper article, he learned the real value of the mask. When Auction City, Montpellier, France. Auctionists described mask Fang people in Gabon, Central Africa. According to Daily Mail, a surprisingly gathered by an unidentified buyer for 4.6 million. 3 couples decided to take a precautionary measure to cancel first sales of the heirloom. But a court rejected his satisfaction and said that mask could not be valued before selling. The French couple was only 10 of the 10 objects used by an ethnic band group once. The couple argued there was a authentication error during sale. And according to the Daily Mail, he insisted that seller had deceived. He was aware of real value of mask during purchase. A judge rejected couple's request, said that it caused the problems of unforgivable negligence, frivolity, attempted to obtain valued mask before selling, was not owed money. Jean-Christophe Giuseppi from Montpellier Auction House was hosted by the sale of the mask starting from about 330,000. Daily Mail. Court decided that couple did not benefit from process, as seller was not an expert in African art. The dealer even presented starting price of double 330,000 auction. But children refused offer. Instead chose to take issue to court. The Post asked for a comment from the couple's lawyer Frederic Mansat-Jaffre.